Dimensional analysis seems like a scary subject for some people, but it really isn't. It's something used by everyone as a part of our everyday lives. In fact, you might have done it for something as simple as calculating how many seconds you have left in class. Hello, students. My name is Professor Waugh, and I've been teaching chemistry for 31 years. Today, we'll be tackling dimensional analysis, or unit conversions. While we have done this subject already, this video will serve as a simpler introduction to it. That way you can rewatch our other video and try to solve that problem by yourself. Now let's start class. Quick note before we begin, we have a website. There you can find all the notes we write for our videos. We also have quizzes and assessments, so go check us out. Thanks. Okay, now we're going to learn dimensional analysis or unit conversions using my simple 4-step method. First thing you're going to do is that you're going to write a mathematical equation from the words. So let's do something really easy. How many seconds are in 72.3 minutes? Now, one of the things that I've noticed is that students don't know how to read the equation, but reading is fundamental. So I ask students to put the question mark over how many, and what are you trying to get to? Seconds. The RN is the equal sign, and then what's given is 72.3 minutes, okay? So when you look at the equation, it's question mark seconds equals 72.3 minutes. Okay, step 2. Let's make a path of units starting with the given units. So we're going to start with minutes and we're going to go to seconds. And I often say this path is the most important thing because it's like figuring out the puzzle for dimensional analysis. Step 3. Then we're going to make a definition, which is really 2 fractions, for each step along the path. So we've got 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, most of us know that. Now there can be 2 fractions from this. I can say 1 minute over 60 seconds, or I can say 60 seconds over 1 minute. Because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, and that's an infinite number of sig figs. Don't forget that. All right, step number 4, the final step. We're going to solve this problem. You will multiply the equation from step 1 by the appropriate fraction that we just made in step 3, so that the units will what? Boom, cancel out. So what was our original equation? Question mark seconds is equal to 72.3 minutes. So which fraction should I choose from step 3? Remember, the units must cancel out. So 1 minute over 60 seconds or 60 seconds over 1 minute. We should choose the second fraction because when we multiply 72.3 minutes by 60 seconds over 1 minute, the minutes cancel out. And so our resulting answer is 4338 seconds. But I only need 3 sig figs because 60 seconds over 1 minute, that's an infinite number of sig figs. Look at our previous videos. So to put it in decimal form, that would be 4,340 seconds, and in scientific notation, 4.34 times 10 to the 3rd seconds, because I know you know ending zeros are not significant. Please see our previous videos. Thank you for attending class. To recap, we went over dimensional analysis, breaking it down into 4 easy steps. In step 1, you simply have to convert the words into a mathematical equation. In step 2, you make a path of units, starting with the given units and leading to the targeted units. In step 3, You make a list of definitions for each step along the path. Finally, in the last step, step 4, you multiply the equation in step 1 by the appropriate fraction in step 3, looking to cancel out the given units until you get to the target units. Now remember, be careful with your sig figs. Your teacher might deduct points for sig fig errors. I know I would. Once again, thanks for watching. We are A Friend in Chem, and our mission is to help students learn introductory chemistry. Our email and website is in the description, so if there's any way we can help you, please contact us. We want you to be successful in chemistry, enjoy chemistry, and have fun with chemistry. Until next time, take care.